Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I want to talk a little bit about MULN Automotive Incorporated. This is a ticker symbol MULN, and for those you that don't know, today was not a great day for MULN on their down 3.92% on the data. Yes, they are up 1.63% above 4 hour. We are headed into Friday with maybe a little bit of momentum. Maybe this after hours game will carry over into tomorrow, but who knows. Tomorrow is Friday ahead of a long weekend. Obvious, you had Memorial Day on Monday, where the market are going to be closed. My oftentimes people aren't necessarily super excited about holding volatile stock over a long weekend, especially when the market's been so guys, as choppy that has been recently, want to see how that goes on. But obviously, Mulan being under dollar kind of sucks too. But especially on a day like today, where the market was very green, the Dow Jones has a 1.61% as almost up to present. Nasdaq up over 2.5%, the results been at 2.17%. This is not great for a start to be down. So guys, I mean obviously underperforming the major indices in general is bad. Being in the red when they are green is bad, but being pretty significantly red when all the major and are very pretty significantly green is even worse. In this video 3 will be gone over all the latest formula on to guess and say up to date on everything that's gone on sort of and drop like the I do enjoy videos. I would appreciate that so much. So guys, let's get right into this. First of all, one of the big story of the day I was this this tweet from David Mistry. Or obviously, anytime the CEO of your company is tweeting out, especially when he tweets infrequently as he does, people are going to get hyped up. People are going to get a little bit excited, and he had read out this scaling from the cell level to pack level development is a major accomplishment, and what I'm proud to announce is progressing with LG as our partner. Hashtag automotive hashtag he uh, yeah, this is cool. I obviously this LG partnership is something that we had already heard about previously, and this is also kind of between partnership that has people on both sides. Are people are really excited that they landed a partnership that they seem to have more business partners at the seems to be a way forward and with them in terms of development technology and in just obviously production and stuff like that is do a good sign just that they are getting business deal done and everything. So guys, but on the other side, other is people that are calling into questions about what exactly is gone on the LG, and that is and that his own another really big sorry the day that this is multiple different people have posters of like this. They said, hey, has anyone dug into line hang gosh, wrong group, but don't know how exactly. Bonanja that LGG. This guy say, hey, I can't find anything that isn't a mole. NPR is stating the partnership in on their own open corporate. They are saying, hey, we found 0 companies. I don't know that they spell. Did I am assuming they spelled correctly, but maybe the puzzle as well. Then the Craigily I'm not sure, and a lot of people are saying, hey, you are not going to find it on a lot of Americans search engines or Google or a lot of his America websites. Maybe you had find on Baidu, maybe you can find it on some Chinese search and as a training sites of like that, but still as a western person, it's hard to find too much info about LGBT. It's hard to find out exactly if this partnership is good, is real, that a scam. Is it a bad as his own to be excited about meaningless, like who know for sure? We know it's a partnership and we know it's a potentially a deal that may be going to be making moons and money, but other now we don't have too many specific, and I think anyone pretending that they know this is your great sign or a slam dunk her home run as a just kind of hoping and praying for the best, say, and has to be bad news or necessarily a bad thing to say. And we have it it's more if when you know exactly what's going on, when he know more, the was specific, especially with a company like MULN that is already under so much scrutiny. A company like MULN that people are already as, and some question about its legitimacy, not only of hey, are you actually going to accomplish your goals of growth and profitability and doing all these things in your you are going to be a Tesla? Are you as a are you going to be, one of many Tesla competitors end up being pretenders or fraud or whatever of what? Then also just yet are you even legitimate? Are you going to be able to do lot of things? So that was kind of inching. This is a big news is the school David ministries too about some, so that always good to see. But then yes, there are definitely some people questioning at things as well. And there was other post on Reddit about these two parents. I didn't save those, but there was other people talking about this is kind of inching. I don't know if anyone has more info about LGBT, and many other people definitely love to hear about that. We had this is well, but regarding the previous news, everyone is waiting on. There's bunch of different thing in a way of battery test result are of waiting on. Can't wait to hear about those. And we also have the Fortune 500 companies partnership that was promised, that people are still waiting on. People are wondered who's that is going to be, whatever deal are going to be, was a man